So you've just taken delivery of your shiny new binoculars, hopefully from us, and it's a bit of a chilly day, and you bring them inside into the warm, and oh dear, look, the lenses have steamed up. As soon as you take the lens caps off, they steam up. And this is simply because they've been outside in a cold van, maybe in a cool depot overnight, and then you bring them inside into the warm, and it's just that sudden change of cold to hot temperature, just like your spectacles steaming up, that they mist up, they steam up. And so what do? Well, there's two things that you don't do. One, you don't panic. Two, don't use a cleaning cloth, because that could do more harm than good. Be patient, just leave them at room temperature, and that mist will clear at its own pace. I know it's a little out of focus, but here's one of these bulb blowers, and it doesn't have any bristles on the end, because you don't want to actually touch it. And this also helps speed up the process. You know, you may want to leave them near a radiator, for example, that will help, or any other heat source. And so I'm just going to just blow a bit of air across there. Now, as I'm doing this, I can see that slowly clearing, and that just helps speed up the process. And that's all there is to it, really. Be patient, don't touch them with a cleaning cloth, don't try to dry them, just leave them at room temperature, and they will slowly clear at their own pace. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.